Hello friends, welcome to the Developer A to Z channel. I am Hitesh Tank today taking a new video about the Laravel. So ongoing we will make some video about Vue.js and some video about the Laravel. So today we are going to making the video about the Laravel. So let's start the Laravel installation. We will make some series about the Laravel, like one by one video with a shorts video, so you can get a whole idea. You will not be bored. Okay, so let's start. I will start with the installation. So there will be, if you are going with the Laravel, if you are beginners, so you should have in your computer composer. So this is link for the composer. You can click here and after you can go with the composer, guys. Okay, after I will not do this because it is already inside my PC, so I don't need to this. Okay, so I will show you the link how you can install that project here. So here is the link, there you can install your project, but this version is newer. How you can see this is newer? Because they are not mentioned here any version, so you need to go here if you want to change your version. I want to change my version 5.8. I already changed. Okay, so here they will mention, okay, this is a 5.8, guys. Just copy paste this link, you will get your project ready inside. Okay, now I need to put it in terminal. I am putting this in terminal. Okay, here I will copy paste. Okay, I want to change my name. Okay, it is the blog is the name Laravel cast. Okay, this is a Laravel cast. I will put enter and it will go. Yeah, it is going for the installation. So you can see, guys, it is going for installations. So nothing is complex here. You can see it is easy and nothing complex here. So I will show some another things to about a Laravel, and one another things how you can go with the installation with the PHP my admin things here. If you are working with the local, so you can use this one. Okay, I didn't start that. Okay, I need to go and start. I will go for my, okay, I'm using the Mac system, so I should use here applications. Inside the XAMPP, inside I need to go manage this one. Okay, I will click. I need to put my password. Definitely you have your password if you are using Mac. Okay, I will see here. Okay, it's here. I will go and manage servers. I will start it, and this also I need to start. I need here two things only, Apache server and MySQL database. So I will just use these two things and I will close this window and I will again refresh this one. Within this timeline we can check our installation. Yes, it's going there. Okay, here you can see, guys. Okay, yeah, so you can make your database here. I will make my database name. Okay, I can click here and I can make my database name from here. It's loading, not an issue, we can wait. Okay, I will put my database name, category. Okay, product will give name for now. You can use any name, whatever you want. Okay, I make that. I will see here somewhere. Yeah, I can see here it's a product name. I need to give that same name. Okay, so not an issue about that. Let's see again our terminal. It's here. Okay, they are still they are downloading the dependency. Don't worry about that. Okay, we can wait still. I will check my internet connectivity. It's correct. Okay, for me. Okay, let's go with another part. Okay, here I will explain this another part also here, like how you can connect your database things. So you should use that .env file. It will generated in your Laravel project. Okay, so here the configuration is there, so I will show you. It will be here env file. You can check here. This is the all thing. Inside your application name you can give env and you can use that name everywhere. Just you should write some syntax and you will get that. Debug mode will be there. Okay, and inside the env file your database connection will be there. So you should do your database connection there. There are two methods to do database connection. One inside the database.php file inside the database folder, and one another file is here, as I said, env. This is outside in the project only. Okay, so the two things is there we need to do. Let's see our yeah, it's near to done. Okay, we'll wait still few time. So still I want to show you something here. Front end thing, you can use some front end blade templates is there, front end scaffolding is there. Okay, after this one important thing is there. Okay, database here, as I told you, that is a database thing. Okay, this is also all things we will see one by one. And query builder, this is a really important part, guys. you can see all things one by one. Let me show here. The select queries is there, joins, unions, varchals is there, ordering, grouping, limits, offset, insert, update and delete. This is a really important part, as you know guys, if you are working with the PHP, okay, and any language. Okay, so yeah, we done. So we are done, so we don't need to do anything. Let's go with this part. Okay, I will close this and we'll go for searching there where I put that my project. So I need to open this one in application. I think I put my project, and I will go here, applications, inside I need to go. Okay, I will go at XAMPP. There is a no thing. Okay, okay, sorry, it's my mistake, not here. Here I can go in SD docs. Okay, it's there. Okay, so our project is here, Laravel blog is there. Okay, so okay, we make a Laravel cast. I think Laravel cast, it was my previous project, sorry. Here Laravel cast, you can see, yeah, it's here. So I will just move it here. Okay, outside, let me check, it is here, we'll put there. Okay, don't worry, it's a simple task. I'm using the Mac system, that's why it's making me like that. Okay, okay, it's nothing problem here. Okay, let's put it inside this. Okay, let's go again there. Directly we'll put this folder inside the htdocs. We are inside. Okay, so here we can see the directory. Up to that, we are inside that, so we don't need to do now anything. We'll make another video for the how you can do database connection, and with all directory, what directory will use where. So this is a easy video guys. Okay, I hope you like this video, so please like, subscribe and comment on this video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye guys.